Hey guys, and welcome to our first product review on the 3 Knees Down channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the OGIO Mach S. So let's get this guy opened. Well, that was pretty easy. All right, let's take a look at this backpack and who it's really tailored for. The OGIO Mach S is the little sibling of the Mach 5. It has pretty much all the same features as the Mach 5 does, but in a smaller, tighter, neater package than the Mach 5. For those guys like me who don't really like riding with a huge backpack, or you might have a little bit of a back pain or something like that after riding for a long period of time, you might want to look into the Mach S. If you don't know about the OGIO brand and their backpack line for motorcycles, the OGIO Mach series has this no drag design, as you can see here. So unlike a normal backpack that's going to lift up if you get some good tailwind, or if you take a slide, it's going to smush everything on the inside. This is a hard shell body that does not deform so easily. So it's going to protect your belongings, it's going to maintain its shape, and give you a nice good profile when you're leaned over in riding position. So on the back side, the OGIO features these reflective liners for those guys who like to be seen. In the front, you're going to see that inside sort of C shape that's going to cup your back when you're in riding position. If you have a leather hump on your leathers, on your jacket, this should fit inside and give you a nice profile still while riding with protective gear on. There's a bit of a padding that's raised about, I'd say about a ½ inch or so. It's going to just give you that nice cushion on your back and also give you a little bit of distance between your back and the backpack, so you're not sweating all the way down the side of your backpack. On the side, there's going to be a zipper. This is going to allow you to extend the backpack out just in case you need a little bit of additional space. You got a few more liters or cubic inches of space to add just a couple more stuff that you're going to take on your ride with you. Now, those guys who like that extra security, there is a removable chest strap that you can take on and off for the front. Now on the bottom is going to be your waist strap and a wallet holder, card holder, this removable piece. It's great for people who like to have their keys and stuff within reach without having to reach into your backpack or into the seat of your sport bike. You can just have that right there in front of you. On the side, we're going to have a velvet line, what they call the helmet leash. It's essentially a helmet strap that you can buckle your helmet in. So if you're off your bike going into the store, you can put your helmet with you and bring it with you so that way you don't have to leave it on your bike for it to get taken away. And finally, probably the most important feature for any backpack that you're going to be using to ride with is the ability to cinch the strap. Now these straps are not going to go anywhere. There is a little bit of a cinch here that's flexible and stretchy, so it'll keep those straps from flying around at a high speed. So let's open it up and check what's out on the inside. The OGIO backpacks, these are a zipper on the inside, which keeps everything pretty secure, and it'll remind you before you put on your backpack to actually zipper everything up. Here we have the red interior that everyone knows and loves on the high-end OGIO backpacks. You'll have some holders for your shoes one on each side. And your pockets for pens, pencils, cards, whatever. And this little divider strap, which will keep your shoes separated from all of your belongings in these pockets. Inside, you got enough space to probably fit a tablet in there. I don't think I would be able to fit anything larger than that, but for my purposes, I'm not going to be lugging around a laptop with me. And the rearmost pocket, that is your hydration bladder that you can add. It's an optional accessory, or if you have one lying around, you could bring one with you and have that hydration while you go riding. All right, so this wouldn't be a proper review if I didn't go out and actually try it out. We're gonna bring some camera gear with us and some shoes and see how I feel with that riding on my back. Normally on a normal backpack, after about an hour, my shoulder is killing me. So we're gonna see how the OGIO can handle that on my back and how it just handles riding through the canyons of California. So let's roll the footage. One thing I forgot to mention during the unboxing is, yes, I am sponsored by OGIO, but this is not a sponsored video. OGIO did not send me this bag for free to review. I personally purchased this bag. They support me for my racing, and I wouldn't work with a potential sponsor if I didn't believe in their product. So I'm giving you guys my honest review here. That brings us to the ultimate question. Is the OGIO Mach S worth $180? Well, we took the bag with us through Highland Valley Road to put it through its paces. I just had the waist strap on cinched up as tightly as I could, just to keep the shoulder straps from digging into my shoulders. Even without the chest strap put together, the backpack never felt like it was lifting up at high speeds or in a deep tucking position. In the backpack I had some water, my Sony A7 camera, a few extra lenses, extra GoPro, flip-flops, and batteries. It wasn't a full load, but it's about average for what I would carry with me. The backpack divider kept the camera from sloshing around in the bag, while everything else fit neatly inside the pockets. Probably the only immediate negative review I would have with the bag is that the form-fitting flap will allow you to feel some of the more angular objects in your bag if you didn't fit them in nicely. So if your bag is stuffed to the brim, you may lose that C shape I was mentioning before that will sit nicely against your back. In my opinion, it's not a huge deal breaker, since really any normal backpack will start to take odd shapes when it's stuffed, but it's just something to point out. If OGIO can make that liner more rigid, maybe similar to the outer shell, it would eliminate that problem. My leathers do have a hump, which makes it harder for bags to fit on my back, but the Mach S actually fits super snugly despite the hump. After a full day of aggressive riding through some canyons, the Mach S did not move in tight turns, even though it was attached to smooth leathers. Honestly, with the waist strap alone, I didn't really feel it on my back, and I didn't lose mobility like I would with my previous bags. So that will end the unboxing and review of the OGIO Mach S backpack. If you're interested in buying one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment for more reviews in the future, and check out my other projects that I'm working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.